Tower 8 is information. Charlie, observation 2153 Zulu, winds 3505, visibility 10.
If you can proceed direct southbound now to the water tower to set up for the right
altimeter tree 007, or now approach runway 34 in use.
Clear to Orcas Island Airport, Bellevue 4, then as filed, climb via the SID, expect 6,000 5 minutes after, 119.2, squawk 6623, 3 Whiskey Foxtrot, and ready to taxi.
Track 513 Whiskey Foxtrot, read back correct, runway 34, taxi via Alpha.
Runway 34, taxi via Alpha, 3 Whiskey Foxtrot. Okay, we'll put in 6623, enter, and be ready with, okay, we'll just wait on that. So clear left, clear right.
Track 3 Whiskey Foxtrot, runway 34, clear for takeoff.
Runway 34, clear for takeoff, 3 Whiskey Foxtrot. Okay, we have all of our lights, our mixture's rich, and we'll set the
43
timer.
Mike. Bases approved your
Clear.
discretion. Trap departs prior to arrival. Skyhawk taking the runway now. Runway 34, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, base approved, 43 Mike.
And a bit of the
34.
wind still from our northwest, but not too bad. We're all lined up.
Runway 34, landing traffic.
Okay, go to 350 now.
Track 3 Whiskey Foxtrot, contact L departure. Have a good flight.
Over to departure. Have a good one. 3 Whiskey Fox.
Okay.
And departure Delta 1719 with you, 1,2400 for 9,000.
Delta 1719, Seattle departure radar contact, climb maintain 15,000.
Climb maintain 15,000, Delta 1719.
Seattle departure, Skyhawk 513 Whiskey Foxtrot, Bellevue 4, 900, climbing 3,000.
Cessna 513 Whiskey Foxtrot, Seattle departure radar contact. Cessna 3 Whiskey Foxtrot, proceed direct pain.
Direct pain, 3 Whiskey Foxtrot. Now, this is like my GPS flight plan, and PAE is pain. So first I'll just select waypoint,
Delta 419, Seattle departure radar
activate.
contact.
And then I tell the autopilot to go to nav mode, and this magenta needle just updated to go direct to the pain. It's called the pain VOR. So
Military, 3 Whiskey Foxtrot, descend and maintain 3,000.
descend to maintain 3,000, 3 Whiskey Foxtrot.
Cherokee 3 Victor Whiskey, radar services
So
terminated.
I'm changing this down to 3,000. And then I'm telling the autopilot vertical speed mode, nose down, about a 500 feet per minute rate of descent. Put our mixture in, and then reduce our throttle.
Sky 3 Whiskey Foxtrot, cross Okaya at 3000, cleared RNAV 34 approach, Orcas on airport.
Cross Okaya at 3000, cleared RNAV 34 approach, Orcas Island, 3 Whiskey Foxtrot.
Sky 3 Whiskey Foxtrot, report your IFR cancellation near of me on this frequency or on the ground after landing via Seattle radio. Change to advisory freedoms approved.
Change to advisory approved, and I'll go ahead and cancel IFR 3 Whiskey Foxtrot.
3 Whiskey Foxtrot, IFR cancellation received, squawk VFR, French food, have a good one.
Squawk VFR, thank you. 3 Whiskey Fox. So there's that waypoint, I'll squawk VFR, and then we'll go down vertical speed, nose down, reduce power, mixture's rich.
What kind of a plane is a Jaybird? It's my international call sign, but it's a Cessna 185. Oh, sweet, okay. That's what's called a real airplane. I like it.
Okay, turn the autopilot off. We do have this other faster Kenmore plane to our back, behind us and to the left. Orcas Island traffic, Skyhawk 513 Whiskey Foxtrot, about 3 miles south, straight in runway 34, Orcas.
Orcas Eastbound traffic, Kenmore Caravan is 5 to the southwest, coming through Crow Valley, number 2 for 34, Orcas.
So they're aware of us and they'll follow behind.
Gator traffic, yellow Sportsman 322, my X-ray, 3 to the southwest out of 2000, roll across, make go to the right number, Gator.
We'll just roll. I don't want to put on the brakes too hard.
Hey, who's that?